Hey guys, again, I'm literally on the ground because I don't even have a desk yet, so lighting is really bad. At the same time, I don't have a desk, so you can see the carpet. But today, we have this giant package, and yeah, let's get into it. This should be pretty easy, hopefully. Harder than I thought, but okay, let's just take out the cubes from here. So I got, obviously, the MoUV1, actually not really obvious because I didn't really tell you. But I have my UV1 just in case I run out of weight 5. And we got the two big boys here. Well, one of them's big, the other's not really that big. Yeet. That was a really delayed yeet, but yeet. Yeet. Again, a delayed yeet. So, you might be wondering, wait a minute, you have the MGC 5x5. Well, that one broke, so I have a replacement, and this time it's actually in stickerless, because stickered big cubes aren't really that good. I mean, I don't really mind stickered small cubes, like up to 4x4, that's when it gets a bit too, you know. So, we have the MGC 2 Elite, we got the MGC 5x5, and MoUV1, which I won't really be doing. I'll make a separate review on this. So, I have no idea which one to go with first. I normally go with the ones which have the lesser value. For example, if I had like a GAN XS and a Meilong 2, I would go for the Meilong 2 first because, you know, building up the hype. Even though Meilong 2 is actually pretty good. I mean, I like the Meilong series, so... I mean, I guess this says Elite on it, so we'll save that for last. For now, we'll do the 5x5. And again, really annoying packaging I can't open without scissors or something. As you can see, I got it open. So, yeah, this is just a replacement MGC 5x5. I already know how it feels, but I forgot the out-of-the-box feel. Maybe out of the box it's a bit more dry. I don't know. So we're just gonna take out this. Whoa, why is it so frictionary? Frictiony, not frictionary. Oh my god. Maybe because it's like a giant hole here. Okay, got it open. I just opened this really damaged box. I'm not sure if it's even capable of being opened because of how damaged it is. If you just like separate. Okay, I got a bit of it out. Okay, and we got the stickless variant of the MGC 5x5. I have the YJ Yushi so we can compare the shades of them later. So obviously accessories, if you haven't seen my original MGC 5x5 unboxing, you should already know how the accessories are. We got, that's basically it, we got the cube as well. So yep, smells like a brand new cube. How does this work? Okay, got it. Is it looby like... Oh yeah, it's not as looby as I thought. Okay, so the green is a bit brighter. You can't really see it on camera, but... Okay, now you can see a bit. The green's like more, I guess, like duller. Not really dull, but like more bright, I guess. Yellow is a bit darker. Blue's the same. Orange is a bit brighter. Red's the same. And yeah, that's basically the color shades. No one really cares. Anyway, first turns. Oh yeah, it has that sandy feel. Just like... Okay, it feels much more different to the stickered. Let's just do parity. Okay. Yeah, it's much more sandy. I don't really like the sandiness. Like, I like sandy cubes in general, but when it gets too sandy like this, I think that's when like you add weight 5, which I'm gonna do. And yeah, it's obviously, again, it's similar to my YJ Yushi. The Yushi's is just a bit more like, I guess, flexible and more looser, I guess, to this. Like, this has a more stability. Magnets are a bit stronger as well. Yeah, it's really good. I mean, it's one of the best 5x5s out there, so... Corner cutting, obviously, it's actually not as good as the 6x6. Okay, yeah, it really needs tightening, which I'm about to do now. I have lots of screwdrivers, and now we got another blue one. I thought it was yellow. I might make it like an updated review on the MGC 5x5. Whoa, this center cap does not want to get out. Okay, I'll just do like, I don't know, Yeah, just a tiny bit tighter. I don't want corner cutting to get worse. I mean, it is already too tight, and pretty much because of the corner cutting, that's why it's too loose. And I think the corner cutting is getting worse because of its looseness. Or maybe it's just not broken in. It's a bit better. So you can't really see on camera, but the green is much more different to like the Yulong shades. Come on, the MGC logo has to be here. The blue has to be here. Orange. I'm not gonna get rid of the MGC logo because it's a really cool looking logo. I got rid of the RCM 2020's logo. It actually didn't get rid of it. It automatically came out after a month or two. It's really good. Where did the MGC 2 Elite box go? Oh, there. Okay, next, the MGC 2 Elite, obviously. Again, I'm gonna find a way to open it without any knife. I'm really excited for the 2 Elite because, you know, I've tried the MGC 5x5 at least. I've had it before actually, but I've never actually tried a flagship 2x2. I'm not really into 2x2. I actually hate 2x2. Okay, looks like the screwdriver actually made a hole. Okay, this one isn't as damaged as the 5x5, so it should come out relatively easy. Okay, not as, okay, it's still a bit more easy. And here's a 2x2. Compared to size, okay, the green is much more similar to like, yeah, the green is similar to the Yulong shade. Yeah, holding in hand is pretty sturdy. Obviously, the same accessories we've seen many times. And that's it. Okay, open. Okay, there we go. Whoa, okay, it has like this, it feels kind of like the Dian Tengen V2 in terms of like, it's kind of like glossy feeling, but again, it's like a bit slippery kind of. And right now, I'm just like trying to turn it like really lightly. And it's not budging, like the magnets are really strong. Like, as you can see here, it turns, and this one is like really, really sturdy. And in terms of size, it's the MF2 is really similar to the Yushin Little Magic. Yeah, it's a bit small, so it's like 50.5 or something. I'm not really into 2x2s, but let's see if flagship 2x2 can help. Whoa. Okay, it's slower than I thought, which I really like. I like slower cubes. Okay. Okay, so I'm getting like a tiny bit of locking, but the corner cutting, it's pretty good. I heard that people needed to like loosen it or tighten it, but I forgot what it was. I think I need to loosen it a bit more, but actually, yeah, I think I need to like tighten it. I'm not sure. Color shades look amazing. And okay, I'm really digging this cube, but am I digging 2x2? We'll do a quick solve and see if it even affects my times. Okay, that was a bad scramble. Yeah, you see, maybe just because I suck at 2x2, that's like the reason why I don't like 2x2. I mean, I'm still feeling the same way. I mean, I really love the feel of the magnets though. It feels like really buttery. I like the feel of the cube. I really like the cube. And is there any lube in it? Yep, there's quite a bit of lube. I like the core design as well. If you look at the core design here, it's pretty plain on the Yushin Little Magic. The MF2, I don't even know. Like, look. Yeah, you can't even see it. But yeah, I mean, if you're gonna get the original MGC, like, I mean, this cube is really expensive for a 2x2. Well, it's one of the most expensive flagship 2x2s right now. But I recommend just getting the original MGC because I don't really see this cube as like, I just like the feel of it. The performance is like almost the same. Yeah, it's like I could perform, like I get times almost the same as my MF2. Well, I haven't really checked if I get the same times, but I'm still getting like that kind of unstableness. Like it's really, really stable, but I'm getting that unstable feel. I don't know what's wrong. At least it's like 2 times better than the Yushin Little Magic. If you like do a solve, yeah, you see there? And yeah, there has to be a bar there. I know CLL. Okay. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing again of these cubes, and see ya.